Well, hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome to today's video. Today we're going shopping to At Home, and I believe the last time I was there was for the Christmas season, and I'm just so excited to go shopping again and just see what they have, see if I could find anything beautiful to share with you, and then we're gonna come home and then we'll do a quick little haul. It is a beautiful spring day, and what a perfect day to go shopping. So I'm starting off with this beautiful planter. This could be used as a planter as well as a vase, and I haven't shopped at Home for such a long time, and I just forgot how many beautiful natural materials they have with their decor. So whether it's iron or marble or travertine, no matter what it is, there's always something to find. I mean, look at these pomegranates. These are definitely a dupe for the &Co ones. If you love anything woven or anything seagrass, there was an abundance of trays and vases and canisters. I will say that I did pick up a beautiful piece, so stay tuned till the end to see what I picked up and how I DIY'd it to fit my home. I thought that this tray was so unique. It was a half circle, and this would look so beautiful styled on a kitchen counter. I just think it's so unique. I don't think I've seen anything like it. But another unique item that I found was this magnifying glass. This thing is so beautiful, would look so pretty styled on a stack of books in your living room. Now, this is one of the stems that I picked up, and I think it is so beautiful, so dainty, absolutely perfect for the spring and summer season. They also have such beautiful, I'm going to call these hurricane candle holders, but you can use them as a vase, you can use them for candles. I love me a piece that I can use for multiple different purposes. These candles right here looked so high-end. This is something I definitely have seen at Home Goods, and they just have so many candles to choose from, whether you need pillar candles or literally anything. These right here with the dried flowers I thought were so unique and beautiful for the spring season. Definitely a fun way to spruce up your everyday home decor. Now, these large, I'm gonna call them vases, I don't know, you can put a plant in there. They're just so beautiful. There's so many beautiful, unique vases. I wish I had the space to take them all home. Now, when I came across this box here, it reminded me of something that you would find at Target. And here they had these in multiple different sizes, and these would be great styled in an office or on any shelf that you might have. And at home, it's such a great place to get some storage or some cute little canisters for organizing. They literally had anything under the sun, and just like I said before, appreciate the natural materials that they use, whether it's marble or stone or clay, you know, any of those things really do elevate your home. Now, some items that I did come across were these absolutely stunning wooden lamp bases. Now, at home is a great place to get your lamp bases and your lampshades. It's a great way to mix and match and just create a really unique look. Now, I don't like arrangements, but I will say that this arrangement was absolutely stunning. It had a beautiful vase and the flowers inside were so pretty. Now, another pretty thing I came across was this ginormous painting. It just looked so neutral, so soft, and so calming. Absolutely perfect for this new upcoming season. Now, of course, I needed to go and check out the kitchen section, the hosting section, and I loved these little scalloped or little ruffled placemats. I thought these were so darling. But at home is the place to get any supplies that you might need for your kitchen or for hosting. You know, it is barbecue season, and trays like this are just so beautiful, not only to style at home, but they're also very, very practical. And I just find a lot of the decor here that is very beautiful and practical at the same time, which is two things that I always look for when buying home decor. There was this entire wall of tablecloths, and they were just so beautiful. Again, perfect for this upcoming season. Now, this ginormous thing, oh my word, it is so beautiful. This is definitely something you would find at Home Goods, and they just had lots of outdoor, whether it was planters or pillows. Very, very beautiful, very stylish. A lot of these pillows did have zippers on, which is always a plus if, you know, makes cleaning very, very easy. And of course, I couldn't leave without looking at the floral section. They had some really beautiful stems and beautiful wreaths. I came across these tulips. These were real touch. I did think though $7.99 was a little too much for 4 tulips, so I did leave those behind. But this right here, look at these hydrangeas. These are also real touch. They look realistic, they feel realistic, and I did find them in this beautiful baby pink color as well as this beautiful purple color. I felt like these right here specifically looked so realistic. So lots of beautiful dainty stems, and they are pretty affordable. I'd say a little bit more affordable than even Hobby Lobby. Alright, I am back home and I'm so excited to share this haul with you. I did pick up 2 beautiful pieces that I cannot wait to share with you. So let's jump right in. The first item that I did pick up was this beautiful piece right here. Oh my word, do we see this or do we not see this? This is absolutely stunning. Now, don't be fooled, it did not look like this. It was more of a lighter color, but when I got home, you know when you get inspired, you just gotta get on the inspirational train. So I stopped by Walmart on my way home and I picked up this beautiful spray paint. This is from Rust-Oleum. It's a beautiful nutmeg color in satin, and I believe Evelyn or Jenna or both of the girls actually shared this spray paint, and it's stunning. And after spray painting it, this is the result I picked up. It is so pretty. It is the most beautiful brown color, and I am currently I am currently, I kid you not, I'm looking at the deck right now, and I currently have like 4 or 5 pieces that were wicker that I did not love the color of, that I currently spray paint, and it's drying out in the sun. So that's how good this spray paint is. I will leave it down below for you guys if you want to spray paint any of your wicker items. Absolutely stunning. This is a dupe for the McGee & Co. one, and well, the McGee & Co. one is $250. It is larger though. This is a little bit smaller and $20, okay? We cannot go wrong with that. So if you want a high-end look for less, at home definitely had lots of vases like this that would definitely give you a high-end look. Now, another item that I did pick up at home are these beautiful stems right here. Now, I do have 2 of them right over here, and these are so pretty. They look like they're blooming. Some of them are bloomed, some of them aren't bloomed all the way, and I just love how wispy and simple and minimal they look. And of course, I got them to pair in this beautiful vase right here. So if you can imagine how pretty this would look when it's all styled and on the counter, it's just, these 2 items were made for each other. But this is going to wrap up today's video. Thank you for coming shopping with me. Thank you for coming back and watching the haul. I will do my best to leave these items linked down below. I know that this vase has been sold out in stores for a little while now, so if you can't find it online, I do hope you're able to find it in store. That's how I was able to find mine. But thank you so much for joining me today, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye.